Welcome to Getting Started in Finance, your comprehensive guide to entering the world of finance and building a solid foundation for financial success. In this video, we will walk you through essential steps and provide valuable tips for embarking on your finance journey. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding finance. Before diving into the practical aspects, let's establish a basic understanding of finance and its significance in our lives. Finance encompasses the management of money, investments, and financial planning. It plays a vital role in both personal and professional realms, helping individuals and businesses make informed decisions about their financial resources. 2. Assessing your financial goals. To start your finance journey, it's crucial to establish clear financial goals that align with your aspirations and priorities. Begin by identifying your short-term and long-term objectives. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off student loans, or plan for retirement? Defining these goals will provide a roadmap for your financial journey. 3. Educating yourself. Building a strong foundation in finance requires continuous learning. Let's explore various resources and educational avenues to enhance your financial knowledge. Read books, attend workshops, or enroll in online courses related to personal finance, investing, and financial planning. Educating yourself will empower you to make informed decisions and navigate the financial landscape confidently. Follow reputable financial publications, websites, and blogs. Stay updated with the latest news, trends, and insights in the finance industry. This knowledge will help you stay ahead and make sound financial choices. 4. Managing personal finances. A crucial aspect of finance is managing your personal finances effectively. Let's discuss key steps to achieve financial stability. 5. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses, categorize them, and allocate your resources accordingly. Budgeting allows you to be in control of your money and make conscious spending decisions. Establish an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your income as a safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. 5. Exploring investment options. Now that you have a strong foundation in personal finance, let's explore various investment options to grow your wealth over time. Start with a retirement account. Contribute to a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA, to take advantage of tax benefits and secure your financial future. Consider diversified investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Research and understand each option's risks and potential returns before making investment decisions. 6. Seeking professional advice. Finance can be complex, and seeking professional advice can provide valuable guidance on your financial journey. Consult a certified financial planner or advisor. They can provide personalized insights, assist in creating a comprehensive financial plan, and help you navigate complex financial situations. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking the first step toward your finance journey. Remember, building financial success takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. By understanding finance, setting clear goals, managing your personal finances, exploring investment options, and seeking professional advice when needed, you're on the right path. Join us next time as we delve deeper into advanced financial strategies. Until then, happy finance journey.